Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 best drones with HD cameras that are new and making waves this year. Whether you're a beginner, a drone enthusiast, or just looking for the perfect gift, I've got you covered. All the product links are in the description below, so sit tight and let's get started with the countdown. Coming in at number 5, we have the Reladol drone with a 1080p camera. This is the perfect drone for beginners and casual users. The standout feature here is its 1080p HD camera with an 80-degree adjustable lens, making it great for capturing moments from a unique bird's-eye view. It even has a gesture control feature, allowing you to take selfies hands-free. How cool is that? Plus, the waypoint and circle flight modes add a layer of fun and creativity to your flying experience. When it comes to design, the Reladol is foldable and lightweight, making it highly portable for outdoor adventures. It comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, offering a total flight time of around 25 minutes. The build quality is decent for its category, and it includes propeller guards and spare blades for added safety during flights. The controller is user-friendly, and the voice control mode is a fun addition, especially for kids. While it doesn't feature 4K resolution or advanced stabilization, its simplicity and ease of use make it ideal for beginners. The affordable price point and thoughtful features like emergency stop and altitude hold make it a great entry-level choice. Pros include its portability, gesture controls, and beginner-friendly features, while cons include the lack of 4K video and shorter flight time compared to other models on this list. At number 4, we have the Translisting Printed Dragon Egg 3D Flips drone. This model is designed with kids and beginners in mind, and its bright pink color gives it a playful and eye-catching appeal. The 1080p HD camera is a step above basic models, capturing decent quality photos and videos. It also includes fun features like 360 degrees flips, trajectory flight, and gesture photo video capture, which make it a delight to use for beginners. The foldable design and included carrying case make this drone travel-friendly, and the 2 1,500 mAh batteries provide a combined flight time of up to 15 minutes. Build quality is solid for a beginner drone, with propeller guards and a lightweight structure that's easy to maneuver. It's a great pick for younger users or anyone looking to get started with drones without breaking the bank. However, its short flight time and lack of advanced features like brushless motors or high-resolution cameras might make it less appealing for experienced users. Overall, the Translisting drone is a fun, affordable option for kids and beginners looking to experiment with drone flying. Coming in strong at number 3 is the LinkBest E88 drone with dual camera. This drone features an HD camera with live video capabilities, allowing you to capture moments and share them instantly on social media. Its dual camera setup offers versatility, while the mobile app control adds a layer of convenience for tech-savvy users. Its foldable design and included storage box make it easy to carry around, and the rechargeable lithium battery ensures a decent flight time. The drone comes with features like one-key takeoff landing, 360 degrees flips, and a trajectory flight mode, which makes it a fun and engaging choice for beginners and casual users alike. On the downside, the LinkBest E88's video resolution is only 480p, which might not be sufficient for those seeking high-quality footage. However, its affordability, user-friendly features, and solid build make it a great option for those just starting out in the world of drones. At number 2, we have the Okayuk drone with camera. This drone is packed with features like a 1080p HD camera, night vision, and a 150-degree adjustable lens, making it a versatile option for both daytime and nighttime use. The brushless motors ensure quieter and more powerful flights, and the obstacle avoidance system adds a layer of safety and convenience. The design is sleek and foldable, with a lightweight build that makes it easy to carry. It comes with 3 batteries, offering an impressive flight time of up to 45 minutes. Features like 360-degree flips, one-key takeoff landing, and high-speed modes make it a joy to fly, whether you're a beginner or an experienced drone pilot. While the 1080p resolution is decent, it doesn't quite match the clarity of 4K cameras. However, The Okayuke's combination of advanced features, robust build quality, and extended flight time make it a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a reliable and fun drone experience. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Tizzy Toy drone with camera for adults 4K. This drone is packed with premium features, including a 4K adjustable camera with a 120-degree wide-angle lens, providing stunningly crisp and clear footage. Whether you're shooting breathtaking landscapes or capturing family memories, this drone's camera quality is unmatched in this lineup. The brushless motors ensure stability and wind resistance, while the optical flow positioning allows for precise hovering. With a flight time of 40 minutes and the inclusion of a carrying case, extra fan blades, and 2 batteries, this drone is designed for both convenience and performance. The Tizzy Toy also includes features like 360-degree flips, gesture control, and a low battery warning, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. While it's on the pricier side, the Tizzy Toy drone's 4K camera, extended battery life, and robust build quality make it the best all-around choice for anyone looking for a high-performance drone. It's the ultimate pick for those who want a feature-packed, reliable drone with excellent video quality. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this in-depth look at the top 5 drones with HD cameras. If this video helped you make a decision, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews. Let me know in the comments which drone you're planning to pick up, or if you have any questions about these products. I'll catch you in the next video.